Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about Midjourney pricing plans comparison. Watch before you buy. So, what is Midjourney? Midjourney offers four subscription plans tailored to different user needs. First is Basic Standard, second, Standard Plan, next is Pro Plan, and Mega Plan. Now, some of the key features are fast GPU hours, time allocated, for immediate image generation with priority, relax mode allows unlimited image generation at slower pace depending on server load, and stealth mode keeps your generate images private available in Pro and Mega plans. So, in choosing the right plan, for the basic plan, it is suitable for casual users who generate up to 200 images per month, and it costs around $10 a month and $96 annually with $8 a month. So the vast GPU time is 3.3 hour per month and 200 minutes. But there is no relaxed GPU time. Now for standard plan, it is good for users requiring unlimited image generation with relaxed time. The price is $30 per month and $288 annual price with $24 a month. So the fast GPU time is 15 hours per month with unlimited relaxed GPU time. So for the Pro plan, it is designed for professionals needing privacy and higher generation capacity, starting with $60 per month and $576 annual price with $48 a month. And then for the fast GPU time, it has a 30 hours per month with unlimited relaxed GPU time again. Now lastly, for the Mega plan, it is best for heavy users or businesses with extensive image generation needed. The monthly price is $120, and for the annual price it's $1152 with $96 per month. For the fast GPU time, it has a 60 hours fast GPU time per month, also with an unlimited relaxed GPU time. So that is the comparison for the plan of Midjourney. And that's basically it.